Okay, the winning continues here at Border Casino. Just hit a $432 hit on a $288 bet, and I still have 16 of 21 games left. So let's see what this thing pays out. I like what it gave me already. 500 and something bones. Look at that. There's another big hit, $36. Maybe I can see all of that. Looks good, $24. I'll take it. $600. Man, I love it, love it, love it, love it. $20. And the final spin, let's stop it. Okay, $640. Gotta love that, right guys? Yeah, beat it, baby. Beat that drum, because we just took your money. Man, oh man, oh man. Get up. Round 2 here at the Border Casino. Gotta love it.